The homeowner, Helen, found a beautiful piece of old pine, so I'll use it to make the backsplash.
Did Helen choose a good board, Tommy?
She sure did. Look at this piece right here, Kevin. This piece was an old piece of sheathing, probably 20 inches wide. And you can see this whitewash on one side and unfinished on the other side.
Yeah, but that's been dressed up. How did you get it to this state?
Well, what I did is I basically sanded it down by hand, 80 to 120 grit, and then I filled all the holes with some glue and wood and some pegs that I made. Then I put 4 coats of wax on it. The reason I put wax on it is because it's going to be a backsplash and you get some splashback, and I wanted to be able to clean the wood. She didn't want to put anything on it, and I said that first of all it's too rough, you'll get a splinter, and second of all you need to be able to wipe it off if it gets wet. So if you take this water, for example.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You're gonna what?
Yeah, look at it. You put the water on it.
Oh.
Look what happens.
Okay. Not bad at all.
So you take that and the water just drains right off.
No kidding.
All right, wipe that with that rag and it's as dry as can be.
Get this right here. Quick wipe down.
Look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful.
300-year-old board. All this time we're telling people nothing but tile in the other sink.
Well, now I'm gonna just dry fit it real quick.
I'm not gonna even guess that that's not gonna be anything but a perfect fit.
Well, we hope so.
Watch it anyway. Look at you.
So that's gonna fit good, and we'll pull it back out because I want to put a sealer across the back there.
So what was your templating process that allowed you to make that meticulously good cut right there?
Well, as you know, there's many different ways to template. So this one, I always like to do something different. This one I used a piece of the floor protection cardboard.
Yeah.
And I made it smaller than the size of the back splash. And I taped it to the wall. Made a bigger opening in the paper for this and taped that to the wall. Took my framing square, used the wide part of the framing square because I couldn't stand it up. So I used that for the bottom and the top, and then I used the narrow part of the framing square, the leg that's up, and I marked the ends, holding it tight to the cabinet. Now I have my length, my height, and my location for the box on each side, but I couldn't get the framing square in to mark the top and bottom, so I took my combination square apart, and I just used the top of that. I put it on the bottom where I wanted, and I put it on the top here where I wanted it, and I marked the bottom. That gave me the location for the box. Transferred the marks to the board, cut it, and it fits pretty good.
You talk about it like you just made a cup of coffee in the morning. It's unbelievable, but not surprised at this point in time.
Yeah, so now all we have to do is we want to clean this off, and we're going to run a bead of caulking against the back. All right, so now we're ready to put it in. We have the caulking on the wall, so I'm going to tilt it to get it under the cabinet slightly. I'm going to put it in, having the board up as straight as I can get it. Put it in and then slowly work it in. And as I work it in and I twist it up, the board will go into the corner deep.
Oh yeah.
Now it's in because it's up and down.
Tight to the right.
Right. So now when I push it in, the leading edge or the finished edge is touching the wall. I can push it in place. So you can see that the board is loose at the top. And because we've nailed the bottom, I can push it in nice and tight and put my nail right in the stud, right there. Come down here, another stud, line it up, push it tight, nail it. Come down here, find my other stud mark, another nail right there, and that's in place. It's not going to go anywhere.
That is terrific.
It looks great. I love the fact that we're able to reuse a piece of wood from the original part of the house. It's waxed, maintenance free.
Tommy, you are a magician. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.